No joke, I open up Facebook Marketplace and literally the first thing that it loads by default is everything you're seeing here. I'm definitely gonna have to censor some of these. Does the wildness find me, or is it generating the wildness based on the stupid things I click on? This is further proven by the fact that we have a guy going, hey you, stop scrolling, click me, alright, bet. We'll do this, we'll do this. Thank you for so much for listening, I can't believe that worked. Oh my god, he's selling a queen bed. You know what? Bro, honestly, what a way to sell a queen bed frame. What a way. Okay, and next to him, look at that. You got this dude telling you to stop scrolling, and next to him, you got a freaking $1.6 million Bombardier Learjet. This apparently is the same level of recommendation according to Facebook Marketplace as some dude trying to sell a queen bed frame. A slammed shopping cart. Oh my god. Of course it's in Kennesaw. I don't mean to hate, but y'all out there in Kennesaw and Marietta, y'all wildin', bro. Yo, he's got is that wing attached to it? Please tell me. Hell yeah, brother. Yo, dude, this dude go hard, bro. Okay, now we're moving on to some actual, like, serious listings. Just absolutely wicked cool things. We have a Radical RX-3, and this is... Oh, it's right-hand drive. Interesting. Okay, it's in the States, so that is kind of interesting that it's right-hand drive. I think that's maybe just how the kit comes, because they might be from... But it's carbon, though. Holy crap. It's a little bit yellow, but it looks like it's just clear coat. I've fixed some carbon clear coat myself these days. Just a little bit of sanding, and then we got the absolute menace. That is a Pontiac Solstice GXP that has been... that its chassis got stripped. This is unique. I'm not okay. And he also, it's 2.4 liter turbo bad boy. I mean, I think that's the OEM engine still, but not gonna lie, that is like kind of a unique car to strip down, because if you think about it, it's like an American Miata, right? And a lot of people like to strip down Corvettes. I think people do strip down Miatas, but like this car already weighs nothing, so stripping it down, I feel, you really could get. It looks good. It actually looks good. It doesn't look as ratty as some of these jobs do. It's not a horrible price, 16.5 grand. Yeah, it's not the fastest thing. I think we looked at a Corvette car that was like 25 grand stripped down last time we did this, which, by the way, thanks for watching last time's video. I did not expect it to get actually popular and actually get views, because if you couldn't tell, I do enjoy this, because they're just the dumbest things you can find on Marketplace that I just have to show other people, right? I'm like, there's no way I'm just on, like, it's like we're all just on a collective trip together. We just sit here and enjoy the journey. An Econoline. This is a clean kind of, like, I wouldn't call it a mini truck, but these are nice trucks. 1963 Ford Econoline, 20k miles. That's very low miles for how old it is. 18.5 grand. I've got a friend who actually has one of these, but he bought his for like 2 grand off of someone's junkyard. But like, to be fair, this is a significantly cleaner example. Very cute little truck. I miss the days when American companies made more of these, but it looks like we're coming back to it, because like Ford has brought back the Maverick, right, which is like a truck I really like a lot. I would have bought one, but Engineer Explained already bought one. I don't want to have the same cars on a YouTuber. Does that sound petty? I don't know, probably, but like, I feel like I'm always playing catch up to other YouTubers when it comes to the cars I own. So my solution is to just stop making my YouTube channel and personality revolve around the car I own, because I've just come to the conclusion I'll never own as cool of a car as them. So yep, that's not me beating myself down, by the way. I do have a motorcycle that's rarer than a Bugatti, though. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that thought, let it simmer, let it cook, If you know, you know. This, I don't know why this just makes me laugh. It just goes, no, $400. Why are you charging $400 for just no? It's a Chopper Diablo 110cc. Okay, so it's like probably a mini bike by the looks of it. What is the Facebook meta at this point? Like, no, not the metaverse. I mean, like, what is the meta for getting people to click your listing? Because it really just looks like people just say the wildest. And to be fair, it's working, right? I think if you post something completely normal, I'm not looking at it. I do not live for normality. That's not why we use FB Marketplace. I should really be careful while I'm scrolling down. I should genuinely be careful while I'm scrolling down, because a lot of this stuff could be censored. I'm actually mind blown that FB Marketplace can just... Okay, yeah, we're gonna stop scrolling. Holy... What? Whoa, okay, I'm gonna censor that later in this video. I'm gonna click the refresh button and hope I don't regret life here. Okay, I like what we're seeing. So far, nothing censor worthy. We've got a 7 grand good old C3 vet. What kind of wide body is this? Yo, I actually kind of... Oh, he got rid of the pop-ups. I don't know how I feel about that, but like, that's not the worst wide body. I thought it looked way worse, but the fitment looks pretty good so far in the front, because like the photo of the back, you can't really tell, but this video's doing it some justice. Still got the stock engine, that's okay. That's okay. You're not buying these to be super fast. It's a bit dusty in there, but it don't look bad. It's still running. Enhance. Okay, let's look at his body lines. Okay, the door, nice, seamless. This target, I mean not target top. Good fitment, really good fitment. I actually was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. Nice little yellow vet. I can have another yellow vet to, I don't know, just collect yellow vets, I guess. Even though I already made a tier list saying that I actually don't like yellow all that much as a color. Hold on. What's this? What's this giant glaring panel? Is that like an intentional vent? We're gonna have to, okay, hold on. We're not cooking anymore. I think we let bro cook too much. Yeah, I don't know about that. Look at this door to front fender fitment, right? Look at that. Look at it here. Yeah, that's intentional. We almost had a, we kind of swing and miss there, but we haven't striked out, Honestly, from this view, I think it's a great looking car. The interior is, it's something, I'll tell you that. Wow, it's something. Oh, I can just feel the asbestos from here. Holy crap, the carpet is peeling, and yeah, I'm not trying to double down on the cancer that I already have, so we're not gonna, what, okay, now I'm starting to see why it's $7 grand. Oh no. FJ Cruiser, $69.99. What a freaking, okay, I thought this was a meme price, right? Because, hot, funny, sex, number 69, but it does have 382,000 miles. So that might be its legitimate pricing. And, it lived a good life. It's seen better days. But it's not bad, it's not bad. I think the FJ Cruiser is still one of the prettiest, off-road vehicles that has ever been made, especially no less by a company like Toyota. And that's a pretty damn good price for it. Yeah, wow. Yeah, he's not joking. That's a lot of mileage. Holy crap. 382, 410. That's quite the price, that's quite the price, but at the same time, I understand that these have gone up in value. This man is bold for using that as his thumbnail for his Jeep listing. $1.5 grand, it has definitely been driven more miles than that. They're just doing the typical 1, 2, 3, 4 vehicle. Flipped this vehicle in the snow a few years ago, now it just sits, make an offer. Engine still runs, transmission doesn't engage, which basically means that this is going to be an endless money pit trying to fix. He'll even he's even gonna trailer it to the buyer. This man really does not want that Jeep anymore. A literal plane, a 1990 C-27 twin engine cargo aircraft, $200 grand. I will not answer to, is it still available? If you see the ad, it's still available. Dang, bro is really, you know what? Wow, there's just a whole freaking plane, a whole ass plane for sale, and like, not gonna lie, I don't know if it even moves. Very good condition, ready to work, never mind, okay. Wow, I'm starting to realize like 200 grand can both buy a lot more than you can think, but also can buy a lot less than you think, just depending on what industry you're looking at. If Facebook Marketplace taught me anything, it's that planes are way cheaper than supercars. 12 grand for GT 2-door hardtop, so I imagine GTS and GT40. What's this kit on? Okay, it is a kit, that's what I thought. Kit car and a Volkswagen chassis, okay. 2.3 liter Ford engine, force feed, oh come on man. This is a cute car, I'm not gonna lie, it's cute, I understand when it's Ford, even opens like the Ford GT, but oh come on, like just look at the presentation of that engine, this poor miserable, like, oh my god, this poor little thing. Look how sad it looks. It's a sad little boy. It's a little sad 4G. I just said it's a sad boy. That's like JDM's thing, but here we go. Mitsubishi 3K GT VR4. People always tell me, like, I even get emails from people who are like, hey, play it. I found a VR4 for sale. Guys, if it's not a 99 model year, I don't care. I'm a stubborn mofo like that. Like, I know some people like, they like the pop-ups. I get it, he's got mismatched wheels, it's okay, it's a VR4, if it's well taken care of, it's good, manual transmission, as it should be, 200k miles, 3+ owners, vehicle paid off, so he's got a clean tile. This is a nice buy, straight up good price. Next up, we got a 1978 Porsche 928 that has definitely seen better days, it's got dents, it's got missing paint, primer showing, roof line is rusted, you even got some rust down here, one of the rear fender panels looks like it's been something, I'll tell you that much. This is the one that is the cute frog pop-ups, if I'm correct. Okay, wow, that's its good side. Or he's just standing far enough away where I can't see anything that's wrong with it. Never mind, that is its good side. Look how substantially better the car is on this side versus the other side we just saw. And yeah, the rear is not looking very pretty. That's a lot of rust, poor baby. Oh my god, I can't believe I just called the car baby, but like that was my instinct. Engine looks fine, you know, the Corvette looked worse actually, engine-wise. The interior though, holy crap, bro. Oh my lord. It's an automatic transmission, I just noticed. I don't know if these, I'm just gonna hold my tongue, but does it run? Unknown number of years. The engine does start up and run. Feels smooth and quiet. Won't run on its own though, meaning you need starting fluid. Original intent was to part it out, but I like to give it someone an opportunity to buy it as a fixer-upper. Yeah, you know what? It's not that far. It's not that far. There are, if the engine starts and it doesn't look super bad, I'm sure someone can probably get its starter working, get the ignition working, get it a new battery, give it some of the essentials, right? Then we have a Ford SV-1 with gold wing doors. What the heck? What even is this, first off? This is a Ford. It's called an SV-1, 43,000 miles, auto transmission, paid off, yeah, of course, 30,500 bucks. This is a lot of money. Is this like a custom kit that's built on a Ford? Is that why it's called a Ford? I'm guessing it's, let's see, new engine mounts, blah, 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 blah. I want to see, it's won awards, yeah, okay, I'm gonna Google this. I want to see the Bricklin SV-1. Okay, it's a two-seat sports car produced by American businessman Malcolm Bricklin. Okay, so it's an actual vehicle. There it is, yeah, boom, gold wing doors. Beautiful car, beautiful paint scheme, nice radial, like, wow. You know, it's a nice little wedge. Its rear has like Datsun vibes, but it does have the low roof line. It's kind of got some, not Testarossa, not Dino. What is the Ferrari that's from this generation? The crap, why, it's like 308, I saved it, I remember it, I'm not a fake. Yeah, there we go. That really has some 308 Ferrari vibes. It looks like a giant mishmash. I don't like this whole car within a car thing that's going on here. I think that's part of the intentional design, like that one weird Nissan GTR that was also made that had that like design language. If this was just flush with the rest of the car, it would look cool. That looks like a red rocket. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. We'll just say that. That's the most PG way I can word the dirtiest thing that my mind just saw. I'm not a fan of that. Not a fan of that at all. Otherwise, though, not a bad. He still has the OEM wheels, dude. I just realized that. There are not many quirky cars you can buy for 30 grand, and I'll be completely honest with you. If it was between owning a Pontiac Fiero kit car that was made to look like a 308 Ferrari, or this, I would pick this. A, this has gull wing doors. B, this has gull wing doors. C, this has gull wing doors. D, it has cute little pop-ups, but I'm pretty sure the Ferrari does too, but shut up, it has gull wing doors. The other reason I'd pick it is because you never have to live with the shame of explaining to people like, oh, this isn't a real Ferrari. It's just a kit car and a Fiero. This one, you would just own up to it. You'd be like, yeah, it's a Bricklin SV-1. It was never meant to be anything it's not meant to be. It's a completely custom car. You know, and I can respect that. So it's technically not a kit car. It just is its own thing. Yeah, a Bricklin. There you go. Custom plate. I think the reason he listed it as Ford is either it uses a Ford power plant, and my second maybe guess is that Facebook probably doesn't have Bricklin as one of the companies you can choose when listing a car for sale. So he had to just choose like Ford. Dare I hit refresh one more time, or do I quit while I'm still ahead? I'll hit refresh, you know, we'll re-roll, as gotcha players would say. Okay, we're seeing the same listing, we've already seen that. It's getting less wild now, I want to say. A BMW i8, good to see that these are still worth nothing. I'm not even gonna bother clicking you because there's nothing of interest to see here. You can get gapped by a V6 Mustang if you buy one of those. Chevrolet Citation, Nash Metropolitan. Yo, hold up. This looks cute. I want to click it just because I want to see what it looks like. This looks like it is a cute little car. It is of course, the typical like Facebook boomer way of blocking their plate using their finger. Brother, paint exists. Just go to paint, do this, and literally just do this. Like, hold on. Just literally, boom, black rectangle. That's all you needed to do. You could have uploaded that picture into paint and just thrown a black rectangle over it. Inline 4. Fun car to drive, gets lots of smiles. I mean, I'm sure. It's a cute color scheme. Reminds me of my Super Cub. It's one of my favorite color schemes because of my Super Cub. It's got some rust, it's not perfect, but like, cute little car. Engine has been rebuilt in the winter of 2022. Block was machined, new pit. Wow! Holy crap, whoa. Manual 3-speed, wish it was a 4, but I get that it's a 1958, right? There's not much I can ask for, I'm gonna understand. Driven, hey man, I appreciate the honesty. The bro was just like, he probably, the thing doesn't work anymore, because I think they only have 6 digits, right? So when it rolls over past 1 million, it stops keeping count. I appreciate the honesty though, because like that's actually a flex instead of being like, oh, like trying to lie about having lower mileage like most classic car owners. The dude was just like, screw it, it's got mileage beyond like through the roof. It's a cute car though. I love it. I love it. It's so cute looking, and I love the fact that it has a hard top despite being so tiny. It's so tiny, dude. You will be shoulder to shoulder, and it's bench seat too, right? You will be shoulder to shoulder with the homie in this car. And you know what? I gotta end the video here because that's a positive note. It's just happy feeling, happy vibe, cute little quirky find. I'm in a good mood. I hope y'all are in a good mood. If you like automotive videos, make sure to subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends, buy one of these listings. I don't care. Enjoy your day and watch my other stupid Facebook Marketplace video about Tesla Cybertrucks because people are still wildin' and they are still going to keep wildin'. And as long as y'all are watching, I might continue this series like, I don't know, once a month. I don't want to do it too often, but it is fun. Because if you're looking every day, you're going to see the same listings, obviously. But if you wait every month, you're going to see like a whole brand new set of listings. And you know, I'm going to shut up because I said I'd end the video. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Blade Angel out.